हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सब बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे एंड वेलकम टू माय क्लास अगेन. In last class, I introduced you all the concepts of Euclid's geometry, right? Postulates, axioms, and theorems, and all the required definitions, right? And what are the universal truths, everything. We can done our first five questions of exercise 5.1, and the rest two questions are left. So today we are going to solve our last two questions. Okay. So the question number 6 is, if AC is equals to BD, then prove that AB is equals to CD. Okay, and the figure is given here. तो जैसे कि आपको बोला है कि it is given that, तो now proof is if AC is equals to BD, that is given. That means AC is equals to BD, and AC can be written as AB plus BC. Okay, and BD can be written as BC plus CD. Right? Fine. So now if we can substitute all these equations, to substitute these equation first and second in this one, now this implies AB plus BC is equals to BC plus CD. Right? So now if we can subtract equals from equals, the remainder becomes equal from the axiom. Axiom is, if we subtract equals from equals, then the remainder become equal. Right? So now AC, BC will be cancelled out, and you will get AB is equals to CD. Okay? So now hence proved. So this is the question number 6, and I think all of you can understand it. But for every question, if you can prove something, then you can write the postulate or axiom that you can use in the proof. Okay. Come to question number 4. Question number 4 is very important, and I teach you again. Okay. Because question number 5 I already taught you in the last lecture, but there is some query of students to explain this question again. Okay, so I can explain it again for you. If a point C lie between two points A and B such that AC is equals to BC, then prove that AC is equals to half of AB. Explain by drawing figure. So first we can draw the figure. For example, this is A, this is B, and there is a point C between the AB. Okay, so now if this is AC is equals to BC, then how we can say this is the midpoint of C is the midpoint of this and this, because this part C divides the whole complete line segment AB into two equal parts, because AC is equals to BC. So now how we can prove that? Look at here, it is given that AC is equals to BC. It is given, if AC is equals to BC, then by using the axiom of Euclid's axiom, if we can add equal to the equals, then the whole is equal. That means if we can add AC on both sides, AC plus AC is equals to BC plus AC, add equals into equals, then the whole becomes equal. Okay, so now AC plus AC, that is 2AC, and BC plus AC, BC, this from this here, and here from here is AC. So now if we can add these two sections, then we will get complete AB, and we can write it as this also. Okay, so this is the solution of our question number 4, and question number 5 is already I can taught you in the last lecture, because it is the question number 5 is a sub part of question number 4. So this is the complete exercise. Now come to question number 7. The question number 7 is, why axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axioms considered a universal truth. So first, you know what is the axiom number 5? Yes, the axiom number 5 is, the whole is always greater than इट्स पार्ट्स। ओके, कि आपका कोई भी जो होल अमाउंट होता है वो हमेशा आपका बड़ा होता है उसके पार्ट से। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव अ केक, ओके, ऑफ 5 kg. If we can cut out a part of it, it is always less than the weight of the whole cake, so that the axiom 5 is applicable for all the materials in the universe. Okay, so that it is a universal truth. ओके, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, आपका यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ हो जाएगा। जैसे कि मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि अगर आप कोई 5 kg का आप केक लेते हैं, उसका आप एक कट निकाल लेते हैं पार्ट का, तो वो हमेशा छोटा ही होगा उससे। तो अब किसी भी मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग पे इन द यूनिवर्स आप इसको अप्लाई करके देखिए, ये हमेशा ट्रू होगा। ठीक है, इसीलिए हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ बोलते हैं। तो दीज आर द ऑल 7 question solutions I can give you in exercise 5.1. Okay, so this is, so in next lecture we will discuss about the 5th postulate of the Euclid's. Okay, तो यूक्लिड ज्योमेट्री का जो 5th postulate है वो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, उस पर सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं बेटा, तो आपको वो बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं करनी है क्लास। ठीक है, तो उस वीडियो को आपको बहुत ध्यान से देखना है और बहुत प्यार से समझना भी है, बिकॉज उसके ऊपर ही आपका क्वेश्चन मोस्टली पूछा जाएगा। तो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल मीट अगेन विद 5th postulate of Euclid's, okay, and solve exercise 5.2. Bye bye.